Off-wing escape slide installation. In the flight deck, set the emergency light switch on the 25 VU to off and make sure that the required circuit breakers are opened and safetied. Use the locking tool for the slat flap control lever and place warning notices to prevent flap movement. Get access to the aft cargo compartment and make sure that a serviceable inflation reservoir is installed. Make sure that the safety lock pin is correctly installed in the regulator valve assembly of the inflation reservoir. Before you start with the installation of the slide container, perform a detailed visual inspection that includes the ball locks. Remove the blanking caps from the line ends. Put the escape slide container in position. Move the top of the container outboard at an angle and hold it. Remove the cap from the inflation hose. Connect the inflation hose to the fuselage union. The elbow fitting must be installed at a specific angle. Torque it to the correct value in this position by using a torque wrench. Connect the emergency lighting electrical connector. Position the container correctly and tighten the studs. Put the seal strips and the seal attach plate in position and install the countersunk washers and the screws. Note: for the seal plate attachment, the flaps have to be extended. Remove the locking tool from the slat flap control lever, close the circuit breaker, and remove the warning notice from the flight deck. Do an operational test of the emergency lighting system via the SIDS system. The result of the test must show Test OK. Remove the safety lock pin from the valve regulator assembly of the inflation cylinder and put it in the pocket.